Hello, my name is Aldo Corral and I have Subaru Corporation for my Go See It project. Subaru is an automobile and an aerospace transportation manufacturer that started as an airplane manufacturer during World War II. It is now best known for its Subaru line of vehicles, although it does still contract with Boeing and Lockheed Martin for airplane and defense projects. Subaru is a publicly traded company that trades on the over-the-counter market under FUHJF. Subaru's head office is in Tokyo, along with the main domestic business sites, the Gunma plant where automobiles, engines, and transmissions are produced, and the Honda West, and Utsunomiya plants, which are part of the aerospace division. Subaru's global network extends to China, Europe, and the Americas, and I will focus on the American divisions as they are responsible for the most amount of inventory for the company. In North America, Subaru of America handles sales of Subaru vehicles and supplies. Subaru of Indiana manufactures vehicles, parts, and sales for Subaru of the Americas, and research and development and North American Subaru handle research and technical information for the region. The main product lineup for Subaru include the Legacy and Outback, which make up the Legacy series, the Impreza and Crosstrek from the Impreza series, Forester, and a newcomer, the Ascent, that has been made exclusively for the North American market. The Impreza series has the most units sold as of fiscal year end on March 31st, 2019, and the Ascent had a great starting year as well with over 67,000 units sold. In the United States, there are 632 Subaru dealers, of which 100% of them are owned by Subaru. The second and third closest are Australia and China, which have 110 and 170 respectively. Speaking quickly to sales, over 95% of the sales for Subaru come from the automotive business unit, and 4.2 from the aerospace company. The aerospace sales include the center wing box for the Boeing 777 and the Subaru Bell helicopter, which has just started full-scale production this year. Subaru has one of the lowest inventories on hand for all vehicle manufacturers. This is to keep the resale values high, although this might change in the future depending on demand. With that in mind, Subaru employs a perpetual inventory system with specific identification to account for inventories in the balance sheet, which are measured on the lower cost or market value. As of the annual report published March 31st, 2019 fiscal year end, Subaru Corporation and consolidated subsidiaries have assets of merchandise and finished goods at around $2.25 million, work in process at 673,000, and raw materials at almost 600,000. The merchandise and finished goods are inventoried at each Subaru dealer and also include finished goods, some of which would be in transit. This could be either at port, on a train, or on a truck on its way to a dealer. The work in process would include any inventories being manufactured at the end of fiscal year end, including any inventories from the aerospace division. Finally, the raw materials account for any materials used in production kept in the main plants, be it in Indiana or in the main Tokyo plants. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my Go See It project. I hope that you've learned a little bit about Subaru and their inventory and how they handle inventory processes. Thank you.